Use this to fix your Google storage space. Go to Google. Search https://one.google.com/storage/management. Review files across Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Delete what you no longer need. Get more storage for additional space. Delete unsupported video files you do not want. Delete unsupported video files you do not want. Delete big files you do not want. Find and delete large attachments in Drive.